finished my flight of different beers, and I have to say that, let me get my list here. The Road de Bock was very delicious. I think the best one. It almost had a caramel taste. And then the Moto Rita, to me, tasted like a Mai Tai. The Testarossa tasted like a cherry Alka-Seltzer. And I think the El Mirage tasted like a lime Alka-Seltzer. But the Road de Bock, if I'm saying that right, was the best. It had like a caramel taste. And then the Moto Rita tasted like, to me, a margarita. So those are my two favorite out of the 6. So as you can see, they're all finished. And we got a really delicious hamburger from Mike's food truck here in the back. And there's a good group of people that seems to come by and use this facility to meet up, have birthday parties and such. So it's really nice. I'd say it's one of the best breweries, Harvest Host ones, that I've been to that are within towns. I usually go outside of towns, not stay in towns, so this was a really nice surprise. So I'd suggest this to all you that like breweries, different tasting and drinks. It's one of the best that I've come across. Enough said? Well, seems 6 beers is my limit when it comes to remembering things. We're at the Moto Sonora Brewing Company in Tucson, not the Moto Senorita or whatever I said earlier. And you can see there is Mike's lunch truck from Tucson, Arizona, right in the back here. This guy produced a fantastically tasty basic hamburger. My friend had a Tostarita, I think is what he called it, and he loved that too. So yeah, this has been a really nice place. Let me turn around. This is the outside seating, and the inside has a couple classic Harley Davidsons, motorcycles, and a real comfortable but simple bar. And everybody here seems to be really relaxed, just out here to enjoying themselves, not causing trouble, not making a spectacle, but being just with friends, which is really nice. Okay, well, there's Mike. He's a quiet but good cook and has made some delicious hamburgers. So Pike went to check on his big dog, see how they're going. I'm waiting for him to come back to tell me how my pups are. They usually just go to sleep unless someone disturbs them. Then they go ballistic and sound like they're going to rip your legs off. But that's good. That's good. If anything, they'll tie you up in their leashes and strangle you. But that's part of their guard dog, I guess, part of them. Anyway, tomorrow I take Ember into the vet early, drop her off. Then I'm thinking about driving all the way down to the campgrounds we want to be at and find out what's going on with their reservation system, which is just a pain in the ass to make a reservation for even a day. And hopefully when I come back to pick up my dog and come back to where we're at here at the Moto Sonora Brewing Company, all our problems will be solved for the next several days. But we can hope. Okay. Well, like all the... Boy, I tell you, those beers are really good. Well, before we go inside, let me show you around the outside here again. You can see there's plenty of places for sitting. Lots of umbrellas to keep you cool. And there's a unique place back here that I've never seen in any other brewery or winery. They have a little miniature dog park right back here where you can have your dog and exercise it while enjoying your brew. It's really unique. I've never seen it anywhere else. So now let's go inside. So, till next time, the girls and I wish you happy trails and woof woof. Catch you later.